So what I've got here is the SwanScout 502G. This is the portable wireless charging station. It's designed to charge your phone wirelessly, if your phone has that, of course, as well as specifically for the Google Pixel Watch 1. So that's what it's designed for. On the back here, there are some specific specs if you want to pause it and have a closer look, but I'll go ahead and open this up. So in the box, of course, it came with the user manual, some warranty information, and a USB-C charging cable. It's a USB-C to USB-C, and this is actually 4.92 feet long, or 1.5 meters. And then, of course, we've got the SwanScout 502G here with the charging pad. Nice matte black finish on it. And then we've got this here that folds up. This is, again, for your Google Pixel Watch 1. Not the 2, but the 1. On the back here, you can see where the USB-C port is for plugging it in. And then on the bottom, there are some rubberized feet here as well, so it doesn't slide around on your nightstand or your desk. I'll go ahead and plug this in and get my phone charging. There we go. And let's charge my Pixel 8 Pro here. This does have a case on it, so if it'll charge with the case, I'm sure it will charge without. We'll put it right on there like that. And it started charging right away, so that's good. Nice little charging station, multi-device charging station here from SwanScout, especially if you've got that Pixel Watch 1, and it's got the fast charging technology on it. And again, this is the SwanScout 502G.